Hi traders, welcome to Traders Athena. If you are a price action trader and after seeing this chart, can you able to mark some important levels? Let me do it for you. So I guess this is the important support zone and this is the important resistance zone, right? Where market closed here around. So this is the yesterday's market high. So I can mark this one as well because this is a gap area, right? So gap down in the next day. So while seeing this 5 minutes candle here, how you are going to trade in the next day? So again, you're going to mark 5 minutes high and lows, right? So in your assumption, market, if you see the trend is upside, so you're going to wait until market reaches here and see the price action, how it is doing here. Then you are going to make your entry. So, but are you able to achieve 1 is to 2 here? That's my question. Let's see. So if you see here, market is continuously doing lower highs, right? Let me mark some. So this is one and lower high. So lower high. So lower high, lower low. So if for entry, where you're going to take, definitely this after breaking this lower high, right? You're going to put your stop loss here. Where 1 is to 2 is not good up to the mark, right? So you can't able to achieve the 1 is to 2. But if you see this, what's going to happen here, and you can initiate trade at this candle. Let me mark this. After seeing this very good rejection candle, you'll get this 1 is to 2. So for that, price action alone won't work. Even if you're using option chain analysis, it will be 3 minutes delayed from the NSE. So you can't able to use option analysis in intraday. Please make a note of it. So for that, I'm going to show you some best order flow analysis tool, that is go charting. Here I'm observing what's happening behind each and every candle. Is that buyers are there or sellers are there? Who is gaining and who is moving the price faster? So these things I'm able to see in go charting tool. So let me share you go charting tool here. Okay, so this is the go charting interface, how it looks. And if you see one candle here, if you see here clearly, so there are some numbers on right side and some numbers on the left side, right? So right side numbers indicating that the market buyers, so they are having the potential to move the market upside. So these are the market sellers, those are able to move the market to the downside. So this orange will be the imbalance because the orders are not matched. So this imbalance gonna indicate that so the prices are aggressively going upside or downside, like that. If you see the some orange things, right? So this is the VWAP line. And here the volumes, you know that how many volumes are comes here, and delta will be who is the winners in this candle. Here there is a 541.98 negative, right? So the sellers are more in number in this candle, and the cumulative delta is that, so the delta number. So if you see here, this is continuously decreasing, right? So increasing here. So here 541 sellers are leading. After that, this 541.98 plus 528, then plus minus 558 plus, like that it is adding. So the cumulative delta is this thing. Okay, this is actual some sort of basics of this go charting. So how I'm analyzing this go charting while I'm doing the intraday is that, let's see, if you see this first 5 minutes candle here. So what I assumption is that, so both buyers and sellers are present here, correct? See 805, 825, 766, 715. So uh, so the market sellers and market buyers both are present in the market. And what type of candle it is formed? It is an doji candle, means both are in control and there is no indecision in the market. Okay, So one thing I missed here, right? So that is this seven. I am considering only more than 650, 700, more than that kind of volumes only. If you get a 1K, more than 1K, there is definitely some sort of strong market buyers and market sellers are present over there. Okay. Initial days you should follow the more than 800 volumes. Okay. So if you see the second candle, so this is if you see some sort of bullishness, and yes, definitely some sort of buyers are here like 928 market buyers, but price afterwards can't able to move up, right, even after coming this much amount of buyers. So what's happening here? So there is some limit buyer, limit seller present in this level. So limit seller is a person who can decide the market resistance and support zones. He's always punching his orders by using limit quantities. Okay, suppose if you want to place some 1 lakh orders here in terms of 1 lakh quantity, then he is going to deploy first 50,000, 25,000, like that. So in that time, what's going to happen? Even higher number of market buyers are coming here. Definitely, he'll eat all these orders here, right? So in that case, I'm going to mark this one. This so this is a limit seller zone is there. So you should here, if market wants to break this level, we need a huge amount of market buyers in order to come in to take out of this guy. So I'm looking for market opportunity here because market is already in uptrend and also big gap down. So there is some sort of retracement required in the market in order to uh, go up or down in upcoming days, right? So the retracement is the must and should thing in the price action. So I'm looking for this exact level where previous day strong support zone, right? So if you see the go charting here, uh, so after continuously market going down, and if after reaching this level, if you see this 1125 candle, what's going to happen here? At the 1125 candle, yeah, it's a 1025, and yes, this is 1125 candle. If you see here, 992 market sell orders and 741 market sell orders, but price can't able to move down. Instead of it's form one weak rejection. So this is a clear indication of there is a limit buyer sitting here who is continuously deploying more orders, and it is acting as a strong support here. Okay, I'll mark this candle for my trade level for the next couple of minutes. So, and after few minutes of time, like at 12:25, I saw one more candle with the weak rejection and weak rejection candle, and with the 613 orders here, like market sellers, and then again price moving up. So I'll take a trade here by marking these candles high and low. So at 19796, I'll initiate a trade. I'll put a stop loss here. So let's see that does it give me the 1:2. Let's check that. Yes, I got 1:2 here, right? So it's a easy trade after seeing these go charting. So if you want to know these things like where exactly the players are kicks in, and what is how I'm going to trade, like my analysis, you know my Telegram channel, the link already given in the description. This is my Telegram channel, so I have given my analysis here every day. Okay, that's it guys for today. Upcoming video I'll come up with the what kind of settings are required for this go charting. Please do subscribe. Thank you.